Alright, it's me, Megapets again, and yeah, another tutorial video. This time it's not really anything with the band. Well, it is with the band itself, but it's gonna be what lets them run. So, here. Yeah, yeah, this is the stuff you're gonna need, I guess, for at least my version of the Showtape Reel. Yeah. Um, yeah, the studs for the studs in this light, I guess, for the buttons. Um, these for some of the sides or whatever. Um, this for like the bottom to hold, to hold the bottom part together. This for the stand, you can do it with whatever, however big of a base you want. So, yeah, and what goes behind the thing for the Showtape Reel. The two of these, or two of this, for the show tapes themselves. This to actually stick them on. Yeah, this for the thing to hold the show tape on. Right. Yeah, and you probably get the gist of this by now. But yeah, no, oh yeah, this for the cord to go to the gray box, and that for the connector for the cord. So yeah, I'm gonna actually get on with building this one. And then stick these here. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, it don't really look like anything yet. Alright. This, yeah, I guess, work in layers. Stick this on here for the, like the buttons and the one light. Yeah, you can do these with whatever colors you want. So yeah. Alright. Yeah, stick this here. Yeah, stick these here to secure that part. Yeah, and stick these here for the back of the show tapes. Stick this on here then, and stick these two things on here for the show reel, or the tapes. And this is just my design based off of what I saw in the one Connor Linczewski video, Linczewski, however you pronounce his last name. Alright, that's the show tape reel. I guess next maybe you know what, I'll do the air compressor next. Well, at least a tiny air compressor. Yeah, you're gonna need these for the connections of one, the wire from the gray box, and two, the the hose for the, well, the thing, yeah, the connectors for the hose. Two of these, yeah, at least two of them of this size. Yeah, it can be any color you want. At least two, maybe two studs for an on and off button. Yeah, it doesn't matter what colors they are. Alright. Yeah, okay, and with mine I did at least 3 of these bricks for the air hose. And this does connect to a spot in the back of the stage like you've seen before. Or like you may have seen before. Alright. Alright. Alright, yeah, here's the thing. Well, here's the air compressor with nothing connected to it. I just kind of swapped this piece out because it might have looked a bit better before the video. Yeah, and then take your pieces, however many clear ones you have, or however, well, or whatever color you want, and then stick them, well, yeah, stick them on there. Okay, now put this off. Oops, I knocked that over. Now onto the, well, at least my version of the gray box. Yeah, the base of it, the contents of what's inside of it. You can put whatever parts you want in there. Yeah, of course, the, at least these two for the wall. This piece, well, a piece like this, I guess, maybe, I'm just using a piece like this. It can be either one that's just a normal, like, has one hole, or a piece that just has one hole, and then another piece that just doesn't have one, but whatever. Yeah. And then, alright, and then the one part for the side going to the gray box. Well, no, this is the gray box. It's going to the air compressor. Yeah, this is not exactly the right colored piece, but whatever. Something I guess for the wire, connecting the gray box to the Showtape Reel. And then of course the things to hold the gray box together. So yeah, and this base can, yeah, any of this can be whatever color you want. So actually, I should probably start with the inside first. Alright. If you're doing it like this, then probably try to keep it at, like, maybe about like that, so it's not bumping into that. Well, so it's not constraining it, I guess. Alright, put in the wall. Put that in. Yeah, you can do these steps in whatever order you want. So. Alright. Yeah, this for the little wall pieces, I guess you can say. And then what's supposed to, actually wait, I probably should have made like the wire. Alright, these are just 2 pieces I'm using for the wire. You can use whatever pieces you want. Just as, I guess, as long as they're like that. Alright. Stick this on here, the rounding pieces to hold this thing together, at least in some areas. Might be more of a bit of a black box, but, well, that's just the colors I chose. Alright. Yeah, I'm just gonna do the easier part first of connect, and then, yeah. You can either connect it to the air compressor first, which is probably easier of an angle to get. Or you can do it the harder way, trying to get the right angle for this thing, because this rotates. Okay, now I'm actually gonna I guess connect this to the to this, and yeah, all right. I'm just trying to get this thing at the right angle from what I can see. Alright. And there you go. And then if you did build a stage like mine, all that you then would need to do is actually just hook up the thing that's supposed to be the air hose to it, and then voila. Yeah. Alright, and that's it. Bye.